Hi everyone. Today we will complete platform development basics module. So let's start with first unit. This is get started with the Salesforce platform. Scroll down. The first question is, what can Salesforce platform solutions help your organization accomplish? So manage metadata customizations, create secure and reliable mobile apps, predict sales or product success, choose a coffee roast that will make everyone in the office happy. Okay, so A, B, and C is correct. So we will select option E. What can you do with the Salesforce platform? So build apps from scratch to meet your business needs. Yes. Set up your org while you sleep. No. Customize out of the box features to meet your business needs. Yes. So A and C is correct answer. So tackle the next unit that is developed without code. Scroll down and check the questions. What does metadata do? So it tells you how data is stored in the database. It tells you how much a home costs. It provides information on the type of data the system is looking for. It forms the structure of your org. Yeah. Uh, no. A, C, and D. Yeah. Which of these are benefits of no code and low code development on the Salesforce platform? So you can build things faster. You don't need a code to build everything in your org. A code can focus on more code intensive projects. Yeah, so option D is correct answer. Check the quiz. Now tackle the next unit. This is code with Salesforce languages. Scroll down. Which is component based approach to UI development in Salesforce? Yeah, this is Lightning Web Component. Then go scroll down and what can you do with Apex on the Salesforce platform? So the answer is add business logic to system events like button clicks, extend the functionality of a flow, build mobile ready UI components. So the correct answer is A and B. Check the quiz. Tackle the next unit. Extend the Salesforce platform. Scroll down. Which API is best for asynchronously querying large data sets? So, yeah, Bulk API 2.0. Aside from Trailhead, where is the best place to learn more about Salesforce development? So, yeah, aside from Trailhead, Salesforce help and training, Salesforce.com, Salesforce developers documentation. Yeah, the C is the correct answer. Yeah, we successfully completed this challenge.